Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty, and it is all about beauty today. Yes, we are going to be talking about some new products that I have been sent by a company called EVENSKYN. Now, they make beauty products, anti-aging products in particular, but they also make an IPL, which is a laser hair removal product as well. So they have an assortment of products. Now, this company reached out to me and asked me if we could chat. And we set up a conference call on the phone, and we spoke in depth one night. And I had explained to them that I have been doing skincare since I was, at an early age. And I take skincare extremely serious. It's very personal to me, and I make time for myself and I make time for my skincare. So we chatted about their different products that they have. We chatted about what I like to see in skincare products and skincare devices, and what I have been doing and what I would like to do, and the different products that they offered. And we also talked about what results that I want to see from a product. And they offered me 2 products to test for however long that I felt was reasonable time, what I was comfortable with, which I thought that was wonderful, because that they're not putting any pressure on me. They just want an honest review, given that I have given these products a serious try for a serious review. So what did they send me? Well, I explained to them that I was really interested in red light therapy and blue light therapy. And we talked about that for a while, and we decided on 2 products. The Mirage face mask. Can you see that here? Yes, the Mirage face mask, and the Venus eye product that is for anti-aging around the eyes. She also told me that they're getting great results around the lips as well. And I'm like, sold, I'll try it. So they sent me the products, and they've been sitting here for a little while because I was off having my surgery, and I didn't want to start anything until I could actually really articulate my words as to what I wanted to say about these products. Now, from what I've been able to read so far on these, because I've just started this, I'm going to do an unboxing here in a minute for you about the products. But their company, their products started because they do clinical grade, and so they decided that what that was doing, their clinical grade products were doing so great in estheticians and having wonderful results with them. They thought that they would try making them for the home as well. So you know that if it's the clinical grade, you know that you're getting good quality products. So we talked about the red light and blue light therapy, and that's when we talked about this the most, because this mask here, not only for your face, but you can also use it on your neck and your décolleté. And I was so curious about that and how it would do. So I'm going to take some before pictures, and I'm going to try and be in the very same spot, in the very same light, in the very same position, so that I can give you the best before and after photos possible for this. So if you want to see the unboxing, let's start it right now. All right, so here's the box that it comes in. Very nice, sturdy box. I'm gonna lift off the lid, open it up, and then it's got this foam protector in here. It's got a postcard with some of the products that they have. It's got a user manual here. And then inside the box, we've got the base. Oops. And it's very well, the packaging in here, it's this really sturdy foam, so everything was very, very secure in here. So here's the base that it will sit into whenever the mask is not being used and after it's been cleaned. I'll set it over to the side. So I'm going to open up this. This is the actual mask. It comes in recyclable plastic. Love that. It's got a covering here that I will peel off. It's kind of noisy. I may do that later. Inside here, you can see it's got the protective eye foam pieces. So this is the only part that touches your face, and it keeps the LED lights from hurting you or damaging your eyes. You can tell it's got a place for your nose to breathe and your mouth to breathe. I'm not sure how this would work if you needed to have glasses on while you were trying to do something. May just relax and not worry about it. And then it's got the head, the part of the head strap here that keeps it anchored on top of your head, and it is padded as well too, kind of weighted, so it stays on there. And then let's see, in here is the strap to put around your head so you can make it fit for your head and for a custom fit. It's a Velcro strap here. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, here's the remote. And it has a protective covering on it as well. And then it's got the USB cord. So you could, depending on what you want to charge it first, I'm sure that's what it said. So it's just a USB, and then the little, I think it may be a C on here. So that will go into this. And one end, the USB, I guess, and then it goes into the mask. On the very end here is the small part. And so this is what has to charge. And you can charge this by plugging in, I guess it's a USB, the small USB here, and then this, and then the regular USB into the wall. So there is that. Then we have the little Venus, which is for the eyes and the lips. I'm very excited about this. Let me see if I can get this opened. I took my nails off, so. All right, there we go. All right, so in the box, more foam, that very strong foam packaging in here. And here is the user manual. And then here is the actual Venus. Here she is, right here. And then it comes with the USB as well on here. So I'm going to read all about this, and then I'll come back and talk a little bit more about it. All right, so that was the unboxing. How exciting. I was just so excited, and they packaged everything so well. So let me just real quickly kind of go over a little bit about these products that I'm going to be testing out. And on the EVENSKYN Venus, this little jewel right here, it works by using thermal collagen stimulation and LED therapy and a sonic massage to go around the eyes, okay, eye area, and then, but I'm also going to be using it around my lips, and I'm so excited about that. But they say that it's going to help with firming up the eyelid skin, reducing bags under the eyes and the dark circles around the eyes, and it's going to stimulate and rejuvenate eyelid skin cells. Does that not sound good? It sounds great to me. So that's the one product. And what I'm going to do is, after I have had a chance to use these for an acceptable amount and everything, I'll come back and I'll give full in-depth review on each product separately. So for the other product, the Mirage mask, this is an LED phototherapy. That's it. LED phototherapy mask. It has 204 LED lights in there. Now the lights can go from red to blue to yellow, and they each have different things that they do with those different colors. And the remote control, you tell it can go in auto, or you can do each color individually. If it's on auto, it's going to give you all three of them. But if you do it individually, you could just do the red and the blue. But she said you could also take it and put it on your neck to get the neck and the décolleté. And I'm just so excited to try that and see. You know, I don't think that I can be sipping a glass of wine when I've got this bad boy on my face. But this is supposed to be one of the leaders and one of the most strongest LEDs mask on the market right now. So I'm over the moon to get a chance to try these out and to see how it can help mine. Now I am almost 64 years old, but I have been doing skincare for a very long time. My skin is in really good condition right now, so I'm excited to give these a go and see and report back to you and give you an honest review, and to see my progress after a certain amount of time, when I could, you know, it may be 8 weeks, it may be 12 weeks, it could be 9 weeks, I don't know. It's going to be when I see that the the proof is in the pudding, basically. So, and I'm so wonderful that they are allowing me to do that and not putting me under any constraints as to when I have to do it and how I have to publish my results. So I'm so very excited about this. So I'm going to ask you to hang in there, and I will of course put it up and notify everybody whenever my video goes up, and I'm very, very excited about this. So thank you, EVENSKYN, for giving me this opportunity to try your products, and for believing in me to give an honest review, and that means everything to me right now. And you know, in this world right now, honesty, you know, it's kind of hard. Sometimes it's a little hard to come by, but I'm going to be honest with everybody, and I'm looking forward to it. So I hope to see you back here to check out my reviews when it's time. So until I see you later, have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you guys.